Artificial intelligence is changing the way people make money online. In this video, I will show you 5 AI tools that can boost your earnings and help you work 10 times faster. Each tool includes real examples of people earning thousands of dollars per month, the exact platforms to use, and how much you can realistically earn. If you find this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more AI and money-making content. Let's start with tool number 1. Tool number 1, ChatGPT and Claude. These are AI writing and coding assistants. What these tools do, they can write content like blogs, articles, and scripts. They generate and debug code. They provide business consulting and strategy. And they help with email and copywriting. Here is how to earn money with these tools. Method 1, freelance writing on Upwork or Fiverr. Use AI to write faster and take on more clients. Method 2, create and sell AI prompts. People pay for high-quality prompts. Method 3, offer consulting services. Use AI to provide faster business advice. Method 4, build coding projects faster. Complete development work in half the time. Income potential, $500 to $5,000 per month. Pricing, ChatGPT offers a free plan, and pro plans cost $20 per month. Claude also has free and paid options. Skill level, beginner-friendly. Anyone can start using these tools today. Time savings. You will write 80% faster than doing it manually. Real example. Freelance writers are earning $3,000 or more per month by using AI to increase their output by 10 times. The key is to use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. You still need to edit and add your unique perspective. Tool number 2, Midjourney and DALL-E. These are AI image generation tools. What these tools do, they create unique artwork and designs. They generate product mock-ups instantly. They make social media graphics. And they produce book covers and illustrations. Here is how to earn money. Method 1, sell AI art on Etsy or Redbubble. Create print-on-demand products. Method 2, offer design services. Help businesses create graphics quickly. Method 3, create and sell NFTs. The market for AI-generated NFTs is growing. Method 4, become a stock photo contributor. Upload your AI images to stock sites. Income potential, $300 to $3,000 per month. Pricing, Midjourney costs $10 to $30 per month. DALL-E has similar pricing. Skill level, easy to learn. You just need to write good prompts. Time savings, you will create designs 95% faster than manual design work. Real example, digital artists are selling individual AI art pieces for $50 to $500 each. The secret is learning prompt engineering. The better your prompts, the better your images, and the more money you make. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. This is an AI voice generation tool. What this tool does, it creates audiobooks instantly from text. It generates YouTube video voiceovers. It produces podcast content, and it makes audio ads and commercials. Here is how to earn money. Method 1, audiobook narration on ACX. Convert books to audio without recording your voice. Method 2, run YouTube automation channels. Create faceless channels with AI voices. Method 3, offer voiceover freelancing. Provide fast turnaround for clients. Method 4, create audio courses. Produce educational content quickly. Income potential, $400 to $4,000 per month. Pricing, ElevenLabs has a free plan, and paid plans range from $5 to $99 per month. Skill level, very easy. Just paste your text and choose a voice. Time savings, you will work 98% faster than recording and editing your own voice. Real example, YouTubers are earning $5,000 or more per month, running AI voice automation channels. The best part is you never need to show your face or use your own voice. Everything can be automated. Tool number 4, Descript and Opus Clip. These are AI video editing tools. What these tools do, they automatically edit podcasts and videos. They create viral shorts from long videos. They remove filler words instantly. And they add captions automatically. Here is how to earn money. Method 1, video editing services. Offer fast editing to podcasters and YouTubers. Method 2, YouTube Shorts creation. Turn long videos into viral shorts for clients. Method 3, start a podcast editing business. Edit multiple shows per day. Method 4, run a social media content agency. Create content faster than competitors. Income potential, $600 to $6,000 per month. Pricing, Both tools offer free plans. Paid plans cost $12 to $24 per month. Skill level: easy. The AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. Time savings: you will edit 90% faster than traditional editing. Real example: video editors are charging $500 to $2,000 per client per month using these tools. The demand for short-form content is exploding. Businesses need help creating clips, and you can provide that service quickly with AI. Tool number 5, Jasper and Copy.ai. These are AI marketing copywriters. What these tools do: they write email marketing campaigns. They create ad copy for Facebook and Google. They generate product descriptions. And they produce landing pages and sales letters. Here is how to earn money. Method 1, freelance copywriting. Help businesses write better marketing copy. Method 2, email marketing services. Create entire email campaigns in minutes. Method 3, social media management. Write engaging posts faster. Method 4, e-commerce product listings. Help online stores write descriptions at scale. Income potential: $800 to $8,000 per month. Pricing: Jasper costs $39 to $125 per month. Copy.ai has similar pricing with a free trial. Skill level: beginner friendly. The tools guide you through the process. Time savings: you will write copy 85% faster than doing it manually. Real example: copywriters are landing clients worth $2,000 to $5,000 using AI to deliver results faster. The key is combining AI speed with your understanding of marketing psychology. AI writes fast, you make it convert. Here are 4 pro tips to maximize your AI earnings. Tip number 1, combine multiple tools. Use ChatGPT plus Midjourney plus ElevenLabs together to create complete projects 10 times faster. Tip number 2, package your services. Offer complete solutions at premium prices instead of charging hourly rates. Tip number 3, start with free tiers. Test each tool for free before committing to paid plans. This way you know which tools work best for you. Tip number 4, master one tool first. Become an expert in one AI tool before adding more to your workflow. Depth beats breadth when you're starting. Remember, AI can help you earn 3 to 5 times more by working 10 times faster.